Y'all have heard me say a few times that everybody's already talking about the big game. And let me say this, talking about football. We are so proud of our Georgia Bulldogs, y'all. Woof, woof, woof.
Got my Georgia earrings on.
You do? Let's see. Oh, you do. She's wearing her bulldog earrings.
I can wear them all year long.
Jamie is taking his family Saturday to the lake so that Brooke and the boys can go to the stadium there in Athens because they're throwing a big victory party.
Jealous.
You look a little green.
It is. I mean, it's been 41 years.
I know it. I wonder if Herschel was there at the game. I didn't see him.
They didn't show him.
Yeah, I don't think I remember them showing him. But Jamie Deen was there, and along with his one of his closest friends, and they just had a ball. So I think they're going to that this weekend. But anyway, I'm so proud of you guys. And that the quarterback of the Bulldogs.
Bennett.
What's his name?
Stetson Bennett.
Stetson Bennett. What a surprise he has been to everybody. His story reminds me of my story. Mm-hmm. You know, this kid really beat the odds. He was not supposed to wind up being the quarterback for
a national championship.
Yes, for national.
Well, he was small. He's very small.
He is. He's very small.
He never gave up.
But he never gave up.
Even when
he never quit. Even when the fans gave up on him. I know, Teresa, that you know a lot more about this than I do because I'm not crazy about football. But I do love it when my home state does well.
So, Paula, just a little trivia. We have the Braves. They won the World
Come
Series.
over here so we can hear you.
The Braves won the World Series.
They did.
And we won the national championship. So Georgia has done well this year.
Yes, I forgot about that, Teresa. And we were so proud of the Braves winning the
World Series.
The World Series. Yeah, I couldn't even think. Yeah. And they were so good. During that was exciting to watch. So between the Braves and the Bulldogs, we've had a year not to be embarrassed about, hadn't we? So anyway, I was saying I've been making a few different dip recipes because we all know that this big game is gonna be starting soon. So this is, and both of the last two dips, the recipes that I've shared with you, y'all, are out of Paula Deen Cuts the Fat, because I know it's the first of the year and a lot of folks are saying, well, I'm going to try to lose weight. So this is a delicious dish that does not have a lot of calories. So, and your cannelloni beans are a wonderful way to get your protein, because especially if you're not a meat eater, you need to turn to beans because they contain a lot of protein. So this is another dip that goes into your food processor. So I've got a can of cannelloni beans. I've got like a heaping tablespoon of sour cream. I've got 1.5 cloves of garlic that have been minced. I've got lemon juice. What pumpkin? What pumpkin? And then I've got a little olive oil. Are you hungry for a snack, Pumpkin? Okay, so we're just gonna pulse that for a little bit until kind of smooth. Okay, I'm gonna get a spatula, Eddie, and I will be right back. And I want to share something. All right, so it calls for the sun-dried tomatoes, and these are julienne cuts. So we're gonna just drop a few of those in here at the end. Let me see, how does it say? Did I say how long? Until just combined. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna scrape down the sides of this. And I'm gonna see if, I think it needs a little salt. So, there it is. There it is. Those beans are so tasty though, even coming out of a can. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and we'll see if we need it later. All right, so the recommended amount of the sun-dried tomatoes is like 6 halves. So these are already julienned, so that's, So we're gonna just pulse this. We don't want to overdo the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, let's see what we got. It's really tasty. It's been a long time since I've had this. Oh, I want to show y'all what I've chosen to put it in. This is a dip and cracker bowl that a very special person made for me. And you see he put my name on it. And down here, he put the date. He made this and gave it to me in February of last year. So it's been a year already. Can you believe it?
Yeah, he came and did some videos with
Yes,
this.
he did. He's done some videos. And he is recently retired. He was the father. You're Catholic, Eddie. Now keep me, like we'd say, he's our preacher at First Baptist Church.
Right.
But he is the,
I don't know what his rank was. I mean, he was a priest at
he's a
Sacred
priest
Heart.
At Sacred Heart. And my family just loves him to pieces. He actually came in and baptized the triplets maybe 24 hours after they were born, because, you know, things looked like they could go either way. And Father John was with us through all of that. And he was with me through my brother's illness and his death. In fact, he did the services for Bubba's funeral for me. So this man is just real important in our lives. And I've had him on quarantine cooking. So he's done a couple of shows with me, but he's a dear man, and he comes over and still visits with those triplets. But now this is his initial, Eddie. His name is John, Father John Lyons. So his initials actually makes an anchor. You see the J here for John, and then the L for Lions. I love that. He's a wonderful anchor friend. So I'm going to use Father John's piece that he made me. And I'm going to put these crackers around. Now you can use whatever kind of cracker you like. I love these really thin crackers. Oh, they're so good. And you know, now some people for this dip might like some red pepper flakes or something to give it a little, just a little heat. So beautiful, beautiful dish for game day. Now, what kind of cracker would you prefer, Eddie?
I like the
water crackers or the thin and crispy?
thin. Remember, these are those little gluten-free crackers.
Yes. So good. You like toasty?
Mm-hmm. Good stuff.
Mm.
I love roasted red peppers.
So this is delicious, y'all. Plus, it's kind of guilt-free. Well, if I don't eat half a box of crackers, it's guilt-free. So love and best dishes, y'all. I hope you enjoy this for you folks out there that's trying to cut back. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.